Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to detect other displays in your Windows PC. That means if you are connected with other displays with your Windows PC, that it will detect that if you are or not. So how to start? First of all, you will need to open your Windows settings by selecting the Windows plus I button, and after getting on this window, you guys will need to select on the display. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you guys can see this category called scale and layout, and in this category you guys can see this multiple displays. Now just select on this option, and after that you guys can see this option called detect other display. Now just select on the detect button, and I haven't any other display connected with my Windows PC, so it will show you this message if you are also don't have any other display connected with your Windows PC, that we did not find another display. So that's how you guys can detect other displays connected with your Windows PC. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.